Looking to upgrade your driving experience in 2025? We've rounded up the 17 best car gadgets you can find on Amazon this year. Smart, helpful, and designed to make every trip easier, safer, and more fun. From high-tech dash cams to wireless chargers, GPS trackers, and emergency tools, these gadgets are perfect for both new drivers and road trip lovers. Whether you want to boost your car's performance or simply stay connected on the go, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to discover must-have car accessories that blend innovation with everyday convenience, all just a click away. Let's get started. Mini Car Polisher. The SPTA-37V Rhoda Micro Cordless Mini Car Polisher is a powerful and portable detailing tool every car owner will appreciate. Designed for ease and precision, this mini polisher is perfect for polishing small or hard-to-reach areas, such as mirrors, headlights, bumpers, and tight corners. It runs on a rechargeable 37V battery, giving you cordless freedom to work anywhere without the hassle of wires. With adjustable speed settings, you can control the intensity based on your detailing needs, whether you're removing scratches, polishing paint, or adding wax. Lightweight and handheld, it's comfortable to use and fits easily in your toolkit or glove box. This compact device is ideal for quick touch-ups or full detailing jobs, whether you're a professional or a car enthusiast. The SPTA Micro Cordless Mini Polisher brings professional results to your garage, helping your car stay clean, polished, and looking brand new with minimal effort. OT100 Oil Quality Test. The Diagtool OT100 Oil Quality Test Tool is a handy, user-friendly device that makes checking your vehicle's engine oil easy and accurate. With its clear LED display, this tool gives quick results, usually in under 3 seconds, so you know right away if your oil is still good or needs changing. Designed for both diesel and gasoline engines, the OT100 is compatible with common oil types, including synthetic, semi-synthetic, and mineral blends. It features a long, flexible gooseneck probe that reaches deep inside the dipstick tube without removing oil. That means no mess, no spills, and no guesswork. Compact and weighing about 0.5 kilograms, it's easy to hold and store in your glove box or toolbox. Whether you're a weekend DIY mechanic or a professional, the OT100 helps you protect engine health with precise, on-the-spot diagnostics. It's a smart investment to extend engine life and stay ahead of maintenance. Greenworks High Pressure Cleaner. The Greenworks 24V High Pressure Cleaner is a compact, cordless washer designed for quick and efficient cleaning around your home. Powered by a 24V rechargeable battery and 400W motor, it delivers high-pressure cleaning at 24 bar to blast away dirt, grime, and stains without the need for a power outlet. The portable design and lightweight build make it easy to carry, whether you're cleaning windows, patios, cars, bikes, or gardening tools. This self-priming spray gun is simple to use. Just draw water from a bucket, fill the tank, or connect to a hose, and you're ready to go. With no cords restricting your movement, you can clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. The unit comes with a spray gun and adjustable nozzle, giving you control over the water pressure and spray pattern, helping you adapt to delicate surfaces or tough messes. Smart Car Air Freshener. The Smart Car Air Freshener and Fragrance Diffuser is a stylish and modern way to keep your car smelling fresh and feeling relaxing. This compact device works as both an air freshener and a mini humidifier, gently releasing a cool mist mixed with essential oils into your car's interior. It helps remove unwanted odors, keeps the air moist, and creates a calm, pleasant atmosphere while driving. Powered by USB and designed to fit neatly in your cup holder, it's easy to use and perfect for long trips, daily commutes, or any time you want a fresh boost. With smart features like auto shut-off and adjustable mist modes, it's safe and energy efficient. You can add your favorite aromatherapy oils to reduce stress or boost your mood on the road. This smart car diffuser is more than just an air freshener. It's a simple upgrade that turns your car into a cleaner, more relaxing space. 3-pack LED road flares. The 3-pack LED road flares are essential safety tools for any driver. Designed for roadside emergencies, each disc features bright flashing LED lights that alert other drivers to your presence, helping prevent accidents when your car breaks down or you're changing a tire. These warning lights are USB rechargeable, so you don't need to worry about buying new batteries. Just recharge and reuse. Each flare has multiple flashing modes, including steady light, slow flash, and SOS, making them useful in different emergency situations. With a strong magnetic base, you can easily attach them to your car's body, hood, or trunk for hands-free visibility. They're also waterproof and built to withstand harsh weather conditions, so they'll perform well in rain, snow, or fog. Compact and lightweight, the LED road flares are easy to store in your glove box or emergency kit. A smart, reliable choice for safer driving, especially during night travel or roadside repairs. Bicycle Sturdy. The 3-bicycle sturdy arm trunk mount bike carrier rack is a reliable and easy-to-use solution for transporting your bike safely. Designed to fit most cars, SUVs, and hatchbacks, this rear holder attaches securely to your trunk, letting you carry up to 3 bikes at once without needing a roof rack. With its strong, adjustable arms and padded frame, it keeps your bike steady and protects your car's paint from scratches. The anti-sway design ensures the bikes don't bump into each other or the vehicle while driving. It folds flat for easy storage when not in use, and setup takes just minutes. No tools required. Whether you're heading out for a weekend ride, a family trip, or mountain biking adventure, this trunk mount bike rack makes transportation simple and stress-free. It's a must-have for cyclists who want a convenient, durable, and secure way to travel with their bikes wherever the road takes them. Auto Paintless Dent Repair Kit. The Auto Paintless Dent Repair Kit is a smart and easy way to fix car dents at home without damaging the paint. This all-in-one kit includes a powerful EU plug glue gun, glue sticks, dent pullers, and tabs. Everything you need to remove dents from your car's surface quickly and safely. It's perfect for fixing small to medium dents caused by parking accidents, hail, or bumps. The glue gun heats up fast, and the included pulling tools help lift dents gently without scratching or repainting. This paintless method is cost-effective and saves you trips to the repair shop. Designed for both beginners and professionals, it works on most car models and metal surfaces. Whether you're dealing with a door ding or a dented fender, the dent removal kit offers a reliable solution. Compact, reusable, and easy to use, it's a great tool to keep in your garage for fast, DIY car repairs. AZDOME GS63H-Cam. The AZDOME GS63H-Cam is a sleek, dual-channel car camera designed to set a new standard in vehicle safety and clarity. Recording in crisp 4K Ultra HD up front and 1080p at the rear, it captures every detail, from license plates to road signs, and with its Starburst night vision sensor, it delivers clear footage even in low-light conditions. It features built-in GPS, logging your driving route, speed, and location, ideal for tracking trips or providing evidence in case of incidents. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it's simple to download and share recordings via your phone using the AZDOME app. No need to remove the SD card. The 2.4 IPS screen offers easy menu navigation and live playback, while WDR ensures balanced brightness in challenging light. Plus, its 24-hour parking mode, triggered by motion or time-lapse, adds extra protection when your car is parked. Compact, easy to install, and backed by strong customer reviews, the GS63H delivers reliable performance and peace of mind. Baseus Car Charger. The Baseus 160W Car Charger is a powerful and compact USB Type-C adapter that brings fast charging convenience to your vehicle. Featuring 3 ports, one 100W USB-C and 2 30W ports, it supports QC 5.0, PD 3.0, PPS, and more. With independent power delivery, each port maintains full speed even when all 3 are used simultaneously, up to 160W total output. Safety is a top priority. Built-in smart chips guard against overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating, and the charger meets CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. The sturdy, scratch-resistant PC casing is sleek and durable, while a soft LED ring light helps you easily find the ports at night. Despite its high power, the charger is small, around 3 by 1.7 inches, making it perfect for cramped car interiors. It's ideal for powering iPhones 13 through 15 Pro, laptops, MacBook Pro/Air, tablets, and USB-C devices on the go. For drivers who need to charge multiple devices fast and safely, this Baseus charger delivers top-tier performance and peace of mind. Blind Spot Rear View Mirror. The Car Blind Spot Rear View Mirror is a small but powerful tool that helps you drive more safely. This wide-angle, 360-degree adjustable mirror is designed to stick onto your car's side mirrors and give you a better view of your blind spots. Whether you're changing lanes, parking, or reversing, it helps you see what regular mirrors might miss. The mirror is round and compact, but its convex shape provides a wide field of view. You can easily adjust it in any direction to suit your driving position. It installs quickly using strong adhesive and stays firmly in place, even in bad weather. Perfect for cars, SUVs, and trucks, this blind spot mirror gives added confidence, especially in tight traffic or during highway driving. It's a simple, affordable upgrade that makes a big difference in visibility, helping you avoid accidents and drive with peace of mind. Baseus Car Bluetooth Adapter. The Baseus Car AUX Bluetooth 5.0 adapter is a compact and smart solution that brings wireless audio and hands-free calling to any vehicle with a 3.5mm AUX input. Using the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it offers stable connections up to 10M and supports high-fidelity CD quality sound. Perfect for enjoying music or podcasts on the go. Its built-in microphone allows one-touch hands-free calls, reducing distractions while driving. The rechargeable 145 mAh battery provides around 10 hours of continuous playback, and charging is easy via micro USB. Weighing just 12 to 80 g and measuring roughly 16 by 7 by 2.6 millimeters, it stays out of sight but always ready. Setup is simple. Plug into the AUX port, pair with your phone, and it's ready to use. For cars with outdated stereo systems, this adapter seamlessly upgrades them to modern wireless functionality. The Baseus Bluetooth Car Kit is an affordable, reliable way to enhance daily commutes with effortless connectivity and safety. Car Clothes Hanger Hook. The Car Clothes Hanger Hook is a smart and practical accessory that keeps your clothes neat and wrinkle-free while driving. Designed to attach securely to the headrest of your car seat, this multifunctional hanger can hold jackets, suits, coats, or bags without taking up much space. It's perfect for professionals, business travelers, or anyone who wants to stay organized on the go. Made from high-quality materials, this car hanger is strong and durable, capable of holding up to 20 kilograms without bending or breaking. Its sleek design blends well with any car interior, and it doesn't interfere with seat comfort or passenger space. Installation is quick and tool-free. Just hook it onto the headrest poles and it's ready to use. Whether you're heading to work, a special event, or a weekend trip, this car coat hanger keeps your clothes tidy and your car clutter-free. It's a simple upgrade with big benefits. Baseus Car Jump Starter. The Baseus Car Jump Starter is a powerful and compact emergency device that combines safety and convenience in one. Equipped with a 1000A peak current and 500A inrush current, it can start most 12V gasoline cars, up to 4.0L, or diesel engines, up to 2.5L, on a single charge. With its 10,000 mAh lithium polymer battery, it can deliver up to 50 jump starts before needing a recharge. A handy built-in display shows the remaining battery level, while 9 safety protections, like reverse polarity, overcurrent, and short-circuit safeguards, keep both you and your vehicle safe. It also doubles as a power bank to charge phones via USB Type-C, and a built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode adds extra peace of mind during roadside emergencies. Lightweight and travel-friendly, this jump starter maintains power even after long storage, retaining about 85% charge after a year. Compact, reliable, and loaded with safety features, the Baseus Jump Starter is a must-have for every car owner who values independence and peace of mind on the road. Dimming Rear View Mirror. The dimming rear view mirror wide-angle blind spot mirrors are a smart and simple upgrade to improve your driving safety. This set includes 2 small, round mirrors that attach easily to your car's side mirrors. With a 360-degree adjustable design, you can tilt and rotate them to get the best angle, giving you a clear view of your blind spots when changing lanes or parking. The dimming feature helps reduce glare from headlights at night, making your drive more comfortable and safer. These mirrors are made from high-quality glass for clear visibility and are built to last through all weather conditions. Strong adhesive backing ensures they stay firmly in place, even on bumpy roads. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs, these auxiliary mirrors help reduce blind spots and give you more confidence on the road. Easy to install and useful for daily driving, they're a small investment with big safety benefits. Baseus Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus Car Vacuum Cleaner wireless air dust blower gun is a powerful and portable tool designed to keep your car spotlessly clean. This cordless device combines vacuum suction and air blowing to tackle dust, debris, and dirt from seats, floor mats, vents, and cup holders. Powered by a strong motor and a rechargeable battery, it offers plenty of suction to remove crumbs and dust, and a blow setting to reach tight areas you can't vacuum. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make cleaning quick and easy, whether at home or on the go. Compact enough to fit in your trunk or glove box, the cleaner is always ready when dirt appears. The kit usually includes multiple attachments, crevice tools, brush nozzles, and extension tubes to help clean every corner of your vehicle. For anyone who takes pride in a tidy car or needs regular cleaning, like after trips or transporting pets, the Baseus cordless car vacuum and blower is a handy, all-in-one solution that delivers efficient results. Headrest Monitor Display. The Headrest Monitor Display IPS Android tablet is a perfect entertainment upgrade for your car's rear seat. Designed to mount on the back of the headrest, this touchscreen display keeps passengers entertained during long drives with movies, music, and games. It features a high-quality IPS screen for sharp, clear visuals from any angle. Powered by Android, it connects to Wi-Fi so you can stream videos, download apps, or browse the web. It also supports AirPlay and HDMI in, making it easy to mirror content from your phone or connect other devices. With Bluetooth and FM transmission, you can enjoy audio through headphones or the car's sound system. The screen is responsive and easy to use, just like a regular tablet. Great for kids, families, or anyone who enjoys on-the-go entertainment, this rear seat player turns your vehicle into a mobile theater, making every trip more fun and relaxing. K2 Pro 11.3. The K2 Pro 11.3 car DVR is an impressive all-in-one dash cam and smart cockpit upgrade designed for modern drivers. It features a vibrant 11.3-inch IPS touchscreen with smooth, user-friendly controls. In front, a 4K camera captures ultra-clear footage, including license plates and road signage, while a rear 1080p lens provides full-view backup and parking assistance. This DVR supports both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, letting you mirror your phone for navigation, calls, music, and more without disconnecting your dashcam. Add-on GPS functionality tracks your driving speed, coordinates, and route, while built-in Bluetooth, FM, and AUX support high-fidelity audio output. Advanced features include WDR for balanced brightness, a parking monitoring mode that records impact-triggered events, and Wi-Fi downloads via an app. Its sleek dual-lens design paired with AI-assisted smart features makes the K2 Pro a cutting-edge solution for safety, convenience, and entertainment on the road.